Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Torio Pro. Welcome to our video today. For those who have been asking on how I record the computer screen, like this, it's here. Even how I record on my phone screen for my tutorials. Recording your screen has its own purpose. You might be doing a tutorial like mine, maybe preparing a presentation, gaming. Most people right now are recording the screen on their gameplay on their computer and they post it on YouTube or share it to their friends. We are going to go through step by step so that we'll cover the beginner side. There are two parts of this video. The first one is how I record the computer screen. The second one is how I record the phone screen, edit it, and upload it to YouTube or use it as a video clip for some of my computer tutorials. I'll also go through how I edit the video because even if you're going to record your screen, you need to cut out the garbage footage maybe at the beginning, at the end. It's very simple. I just record my video, my screen, my phone, cut out the garbage at the beginning. If there's a mistake at the middle, then I'll cut it out, and at the end, export it and ready for upload to YouTube. There are two softwares that I use. The first one is Camtasia. Now, Camtasia is a screen recorder at the same time a video editor, but it is not free. That's why I use OBS Studio. So I use Camtasia on my laptop. I only have one license, so it's installed there. When I record my screen on other computers, I need to use OBS Studio. We're going to go to the OBS Studio. The concept on how I do video editing, you can see it on Adobe Premiere. Basically everything. So let's get started right now. In your browser, go to obsproject.com, download the appropriate software package for your operating system. Links will be in the description below. Open when done, install. Next, finish, launch OBS Studio. There you go. Would you like to go to the wizard? Yes. And we select the second option, optimize. Next, this will be the default setting. You change that one if you want to. I'll stick with it, and then apply. OBS is installed and ready to use. What we need to do is add the source. Our source will be the display. I will put the name here like that. And okay. The source is where it's going to capture the video, wherein it is the display for us. And it will also capture the sound or audio. If you have other input, like you want to do voiceover at the same time, maybe you're streaming, because you can use OBS for streaming as well. You can add that one. But for us, we don't need it. Here on the lower right corner, you have Start Recording. Click this button. And you can see the pause button there if you want to pause it. But right now it's recording. That's why let's try to open Bluestacks. This is from my previous video. Let's try to open up a game. So in any case you want to run Android apps in your computer, you can use Bluestacks. I'll open up Need for Speed. And let's try to... Yeah, that's how it looks like. So this app is for Android. We'll be able to run Android, but here I need to download more additional 354 MB. Wherein I'm not going to do that because we're just doing a demo. So I'll do Clash of Clans. There you go. These are very okay. See. Let's click some of these and try to give you a short demo. Let's try to attack. And we should win the game. Yeah! So we recorded that one.
Whoa!
Now, I want to show you how we can edit the footage. Let's close this. Yes. So this is directly from my computer. Stop. Let's go and locate the recording. There you go. And this is it. Let's open up. Try to quickly view it. It's being played on VLC player. So we got all the footage of the screen of our computer. Okay. Just to check this one. if we have everything. Okay, let's open up Adobe Premiere and load that one up. New project, and I'll put the title. Okay, so let's browse. Well, I cannot browse the video. I think it is saved in a different format, so I'm going to convert that one using VLC Player. If you do not know yet, VLC Player has a converter that is built in. So in File, you go to Convert and Save, add the file. Let's locate that recording that we have. There you go. Save. Open, and then Convert. Okay, and then select the format that you want. We're going to use the MPEG-4. And browse where we're going to save it. I'll just name this one as Converted. Save. Okay, so the play bar you can see below, that's the progress. It's converting the video file. Now it's done. Let's go and locate it again. There you go. This is the converted video. This is what we're going to use to Adobe Premiere. And it should, let's refresh. Okay, there you go. So we can have it here already and try to edit. Let's just cut, and there you go. I'll quickly do it. And you can see I'll try to maximize also if you want to have a full screen, like what I'm doing right now, so that all the edges will be cut and we'll have the full screen of the game. So that how it looks like. I'm going to export it right away. Oh, wait, I'll just refix this. Okay. File, export, and media. I'll just change the FPS because it is using 60. I'll just put it back to 24 and export. This will be quick. Wait up for a bit. And let's locate that file. There you go. So that's the full screen. You can have the full screen like that. Now this is a sample. We can upload this one to YouTube if we want to, but that's it. The next thing we're going to do is go to our phone. Now that we're done on how we record our computer screen, it's time we do it on our mobile phone. The recording app that we use on our phone, well, there are a lot there on the Play Store, but this is the one I use, XRecorder. And basically you can see it here, a 4.8 rating out of 300,000 rates and around 10 million downloads. So that's quite a good enough kind of rating to trust on Play Store. Let's launch the app in camera. So open XRecorder and you will have a button, record. Just press the record button. There you go. And it will start 3, 2, 1. And everything we're going to do here will be recorded. If you want to stop the recording, just scroll this down and you will have the stop button. Okay, since I like playing COC, let's try this one out. We're recording on XRecorder. And I'm not going to show you a live attack of mine. I might fail on my live attack. So let's just do a replay and a voiceover. I'm not an expert in doing a voiceover, but let's try to make this one a bit interesting. The queen is coming down. No. The healers put the queen back to full health. He's going to kill the king. Baby drag down. The ability of the queen is used already. Rage spell. Wall breaker to go in. We should be able to reach that. Okay, come on. Make it faster. So you do your comments while doing the edit on your Adobe Premiere or a video editor that you have. Down the loons. We're almost there. This is a pure 3 stars, my friends. And it's over. 3 stars. Now that we're done with the recording, plug your phone to your computer and then copy the video files that we recorded. There you go. And I'll load this one into Adobe Premiere. But before that, let's try to check first. I'll play it on VLC. Yeah, this is the one that we just recorded. Open up Adobe Premiere. This is our last edit. I'll just delete it so that I'm going to load those videos that we got from our phone. I will look for those video files, load it up on our timeline, keep existing settings, and I'll quickly edit this in a fast forward manner. So I want the video file to be on a full screen mode, so I'm going to stretch this one out and cut the garbage footage that we don't need with this video file. About done, and that's the format of the landscape. I want to show you how the portrait mode is done as well. So this is the recording that I used on the XRecorder when I downloaded the app. So you can basically see that it's just a quick edit, and I'll export it and use it in the same video that you are watching right now. Now, if you have learned something from my videos, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your comments, share this video, and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.